Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I'm Malin and I am so excited to be bringing this skirt to you guys. It's been a long time coming because this is actually a project that I kind of shelved for a bit. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I kind of stopped working through it halfway because I just wanted to pick up something else. And I didn't really have the occasion to wear it out anywhere, but Star Wars Galaxy Edge was that place. Like, I had to finish this project and I had to wear it in Disney World for this grand opening. I mean, this is a huge deal. So I'm really excited to finally be able to share that with you all. So yeah, let's get right into the video as to how I made it. So the main thing that you're gonna need for this project is a white skirt. Now you can either buy one or you can make one. I ended up making my own because I didn't want that like waviness of a circle skirt because I really wanted the details to show, you know, like all those little cutouts of R2D2. And the fabric that I used to make mine is a scuba knit or a neoprene scuba. It's just a very like medium weight. It drapes really nicely and I just love to work with it. It doesn't fray at all. It's the best. For this skirt, I really wanted it to pop, so I used this silver lame fabric, so it's very like robot metal kind of thing. And it is bright, it is a shiny fabric, and it is a statement. Because you're not exactly gonna wear this skirt because you're like a conservative person, okay? This is a standout piece. You're gonna own it. In order to make this silver trim, I pretty much created a pattern on the edge of the skirt and I cut it out. Then with my iron, I pressed down those edges to make a really clean edge. And using my favorite glue, my Fabrifix, I used that to really glue down those edges. And then for the blue trim, I'm using this blue bias tape, which what's amazing about bias tape is that it curves really easily. So all you have to do is apply the glue, press it down, and start curving it yourself. So this is just super easy. It's already folded. You're good to go. And for the main star of the show, it would be this heat transfer vinyl. It's a very easy material to work with. They come in these sheets like this. There's like a shiny side and a dull side. And all you have to do is cut it and apply it with an iron. It's very basic and I don't know why I haven't used it until now. But if you want to know where I bought it, and you want to know where to get more colors, I got mine from Expressions Vinyl, so the link will be down below if you want to get your own. Okay, so what I've done already is I've cut these pieces out of that heat transfer vinyl, and I've just kind of placed them where I want them to go. The important thing to note about this is that there's a shiny side and a not so shiny side. This one's a little bit dull. So the dull side is the one that's going to go against the fabric, and the one that you're going to iron on is the shiny side. So I'm going to be taking another type of cotton fabric. This is just a muslin, so that it doesn't stick to my iron. And I'm gently going to place it on top of the vinyl so as to not move it too much. That's where I want it, so this is where I'm just going to place it lightly on top. Whenever I'm being careful, I tend to whisper. And I'm just going to lightly press it, going in circular motions so that you're not in one area for too long because you don't want to burn right through it. And you just want to peel it off gently. Once again, you just put your fabric on top and press down on it one more time so as to just really seal it in. And there you have it! It's applied and it's perfect and the edges are all sharp and I just love this material. So if you're making your own skirt, now is the time that we attach the zipper because it's just so much easier to work on that skirt while it's flat. So all that's left is to style your outfit, and you can do that with some cool metal accessories or with a badass shoe. Let me show you, in case you guys haven't seen it. I made the coolest pair of R2D2 shoes ever. I mean, this is honestly one of my most favorite projects, and I cannot wait to wear this in combination with the skirt. I wish I could have worn this for Disney World, but obviously I cannot walk in these heels, okay? Like, I can walk, but not that far. This is more of like a posing kind of shoe, you know, like a strutting. And if you guys end up making this skirt, definitely let me know. Feel free to tag me on Instagram. I love seeing all the things that you guys make. It really excites me, and it really pushes me to make amazing content that I know you guys will like. If you want to subscribe and you haven't, feel free to check that out over here. Or if you want to watch some other types of videos that I do, you can check them out right over here. So I've had a great time, and I wish you guys the best day ever, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!